Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. So inside the software testing tutorial, so today we are going to discuss about the verification. So in last class we observed about what is the flow chart about the verification and validation topic. So inside that we discussed about that verification and validation differences also. So today we are going to discuss about the exact our point is what is a verification. Okay, so we had discussed in last class verification is nothing but a process oriented. It is a process oriented and maintain quality in a process. Okay, so it is not about the product quality. So the main focus of this verification is to build a quality in a process. Okay, so inside this verification there are three techniques are available. How many techniques? Three techniques are available. Okay, so what are they? So let us see one by one. So as we discussed, we have a three techniques like reviews, inspections and walkthrough. Now inside that the first one is review. So what is the meaning of this review? Review is nothing but a every entire process in SDLC in each and every phase we have some reviews. Reviews definition is checking the checking the correctness and completeness before submitting. Okay, so what is the definition was saying? Checking the correctness and completeness. Okay, let us see. I completed my work. Okay, I am a developer. I am completed my work. I need to submit to the tester. So before submitting to the tester, as am I need to check. So I completed correctly or not, and completed completely or not. So simply checking ourselves again. And inside this review, we have a two reviews. One is a self review. Which review it is? Self review. Inside the reviews, we have a one review, self review. Review conducted by same person. Self review means review conducted by same person. Okay, and the second one is peer review. Second one is peer review. Peer review is nothing but a review conducted by colleague person. Colleague means nothing but a co-worker. So you are completed your work. If you are checking that correctly and completely completed or not, is known as a self review. Yeah, like the review done by yourself. Okay, you are committed. Okay, so this is a good one only. Your view is sometime it will be going a positive way only. In this time, you need to submit to your peer member. You need to submit to your colleague. And I completed this one. Just review it because I need to send to the next team. So this process is known as a review. Review was conducted by each and every phase of SDLC, and each and every person they will do their self reviews. Okay, and coming to the second technique is inspection. Second technique is inspection. So what is the meaning of this inspection means? Inspection means nothing but a, guys, observe clearly the definition. It is a formal type review. It is a formal type review. It is a formal type review done by special team. Guys, I giving some small example. In school days or college days, we are seeing some inspections. So some persons was coming in middle of the process, they will ask whether your syllabus is completing or not, what is the attendance of teachers and what is the attendance of students. Like that, every IT organization there is a one team, the team called inspection team. They will do formal review by it was done by the special team. So in middle of the process, it is a formal type review done by special team in middle of the process, process middle of the middle of the process with information. So what is the meaning of this with information means, like they are informing before. Tomorrow you have a background verification, we are calling from inspection team, like we are a special team called inspection team. Tomorrow we are coming for the inspection. We need to check your bank statements or we need to check your PF account. So if the review was conducted, verification was conducted with intimation, is known as a inspection. It is one of the technique in verification. Now the third technique is walkthrough. So now what is the meaning of this walkthrough means? Walkthrough is nothing but it is a informal type review. It is a informal type review done by anyone at anyway. Are you observing this point? So it was done by a special team. It was done by a special team, and informal type review done by a anyone. Anyone means like who are instructed. So the organization like management team will inform. Okay, tomorrow you need to go for walkthrough. Walkthrough means anyone at anywhere without information. Guys, are you observing the difference between formal means they are informing before one day. So tomorrow we are coming for the inspection. So in this way, the person will alert. If you are following this type of walkthrough. Walkthrough means like in exam halls there is a one squad, flying squad you can say. They are directly coming and checking. Okay, so I think you are copying. So they are without inviting they will come. But coming to the invigilator is a inspector. We know there is a invigilator. But squad is a walkthrough person. We don't know when he will come or not. Anytime he will come, anywhere it will come, and without information. So that's why it is known as an informal type review. You can see the major difference is review done by same person or colleague person or lead or management. Anyone can do the review, but inspection will follow the special team, and walkthrough will follow the anyone means not. I am not a walkthrough person. I need to get one like call letter, like I need to get some confirmation with the management. Management was instructed, guy, you need to go for walkthrough. I am giving one chance for you. Then only I need to follow this walkthrough. Okay, so these are the different types of verification techniques. Okay, finally, what is the goal of this verification means? Already we intimated here, maintain quality in a process. So guys, in every industry, not at all the IT, every industry, when the process is good, automatically the product will good. In the process oriented technique, highly focusing on whether each and every person is working or not, and each and every person doing their work in on time or not, whether the person was attending the all meetings or not. So when we are following this type of reviews, then only we can maintain a quality process. Okay guys, so this is about the verification technique. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoyed this video, and if you are interested this type of videos, like keep supporting and share with your friends as well. And thank you guys, thanks for your supporting, and keep supporting to SP Global Solutions. Thank you.